Guys, imagine having a signature 3D character for all your content. In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a consistent character in Canva AI just by using the right prompts. Watch till the end to master this trick. Now let's get started. Okay guys, once you're logged into your Canva account, you're going to create a blank video below. And once that's pulled up, we're going to go to text on the left side. We're going to click on add a heading. And I'm just using this. This is going to say prompt. Okay. And we're just going to drag it to the left. So guys, the first step is coming up with a strong prompt. Your prompt determines how your character looks. So be specific. This is what my prompt will be. So I'm going to go right back to heading. And I'm going to type in a girl curly black hair, light brown eyes. So guys, once you have your prompt, the next thing you want to do is go to the left, click on apps, and we're going to type in magic video. Okay, then you're going to click on it, and what we're going to do is we're going to highlight, copy, and paste our prompt into our magic media. And then you're going to click square, landscape, and then come down to the bottom and click generate images. Okay, we see that it's working. Okay guys, you can add a page, and I think this is cute right here. I'm also going to go to the bottom and generate again, see what else it comes up with. So we're going to give it a few seconds. Okay, add her. Let's add another page and another page. Guys, these are the characters here. The consistent characters here. And I think it looks pretty good. I like her the best, of course. She looks more animated. But they're all cute to me. So once you're done with these characters, just go ahead and just click the share button in the right corner, download button, and we're going to change it from MP4 to PNG, and just click we can do the current page, which is page 7, and then click download. And that's pretty much it, guys. So you'll now be able to create characters, different consistent characters throughout your project using Canva. So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.